hey, do you want to go to a candy store? And I looked at my friend and I was just like, this is not even like, I don't know what the build up for it. And I just went like, no, and I walked off. And now I don't know what the other side, like,
The other
what
part
I
of
said.
shit,
Yeah.
प्रिया यार इसको
बेचारा
खत्म तो करने
यार
देना चाहिए था. Okay, what's up, guys? Pan ki
Hello,
dukhan
hello,
after a
hello.
long time.
Hi.
Hello,
Yes.
namaste,
Yes.
Sat Sri Akal, Kemcho.
All of
People.
us keeping our promise of uploading videos regularly. So today, because during the lockdown, I think a lot of people returned back to dating side, dating apps. I think we all should talk about that. We'll talk about Tinder stories and also pickup lines, because जो लोगों की क्रिएटिविटी
Because
देखने को मिलती है
Yes.
एंड यस राहुल को अपना टैलेंट दिखाने को मिलता है.
अरे
Yeah.
यार
Yeah. Have you guys ever has anyone used a pickup line on a date, or this whole
I have.
concept of using a pickup line on a date is a myth?
Priya, since you're a girl, you're a woman, let me ask you this. Do girls also use pickup lines on guys? I have never come
Yeah.
across anybody who used a pickup line on me.
And we all know that you're dating the wrong women. So
गजब बेइज्जती है.
I'm generally
that
asking you.
answers the question. But yeah, women use pickup lines too. A
They
lot of
do.
times. Yeah, yeah. But
Have you
it's just
used?
that it's not so generic. No.
have you used?
No, not in like in front of people. Like after I've gotten to know the person I have.
Yeah, that I
Not
also
like
agree.
yeah,
हाँ,
not
but
like
फिर
the
मजा क्या है
first
यार?
date
Like
being a
pickup line
creep
क्या है?
and
You pick up, right? मतलब बार में कहीं पे conversation ऐसे randomly कभी नहीं you have used.
nay, but it's also like it's not necessary that you use it on a first date, right? So you can just go
I see.
ahead, know the person, and
Understood.
then probably to cheer up the mood or something like that, you use a pickup line, and it's always useful. It's very cool,
I
I
see.
think.
I see.
and I think also one factor which determines how effective a pickup line is whether the other person sees it coming or not.
Yeah,
Exactly.
Like
Yeah.
if
Yeah,
generally like like you Priya, hey, you like raisins?
Oh, okay.
Oh,
No.
Kismis
Yeah.
pasand hai? Oh,
Yeah.
what about a date?
Oh, definitely
oh,
yes. Yeah.
Smooth,
Oh,
but
oh
smooth.
shit. Oh my God.
No, but
Yeah. That's really
like
cool.
I,
I'm
I
going to
mean,
use it someday.
if somebody comes up and says, "Did it hurt?" So you see the pickup line coming.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
what I think personally is that when you're going for a pickup line, it should come with the flow. A lot of people just go randomly and be like,
Yeah,
some
yeah.
stupid pickup line, and
Yeah.
that girl will feel just like slapping the fuck out of
Yeah,
that guy.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's
So
true.
that is not.
Yeah.
Like abhi everyone, like now you can't go on a freaking date and say that oh आपके पापा terrorist हैं वो
घर में
आपने
तगड़ा
तो
bomb.
आपके घर में तो तगड़ा bomb है. You can't do
But
that.
I
no.
also hate it when some of these guys use the mainstream ones like the one. I don't know if you guys have heard this. I think I saw you somewhere. I think it was in my dreams.
Oh
My
God.
God.
Yeah.
This
Oh.
is
Fucked up.
this is version 1.2. I'll tell you the extension of it. So are you feeling tired because you have been running in my dreams all night?
Yeah.
What a bad guy you are. वो तेरे से सपने में भी दूर भाग रही है.
हाँ, मतलब so.
There is also the anti-pickup line, huh? Did it hurt? It's like what when I fell from heaven. It's like no, when you got that botched plastic surgery done.
Oh,
Oh.
absolutely.
But I really can't believe this that someone is bloody standing at the bar and you go and you are like कि, you proved Shakespeare wrong and she's
अरे
like
भाई
why because
साहब,
you're
ये सब
beautiful
नहीं
than
होता
the
Yeah,
moon.
yeah.
Bro, ये
Has
सब
happened
इंटरनेट
to
पे ही होता है और कहीं नहीं होता है.
please, guys, it's not even funny, okay? Like I went to a mall shopping, like literally just shopping for clothes, and suddenly this dude just comes out of nowhere and goes like, "Hey, do you want to go to a candy store?" And I looked at my friend and I was just like, this is not even like, I don't know what the build up for it. And I just went like, no, and I walked off. And now I don't know what the other side, like,
The other
what
part
I
of
said.
shit,
Yeah.
Priya यार इसको
बेचारा
खत्म तो करने
यार.
देना चाहिए था. This one conversation that I had seen again, okay, how it comes like this guy had was talking to somebody and the girl ends up at some point saying that I have a boyfriend. Uh, this is where he decides to push the pickup line in, and it sort of worked. He's like, yes, and I have a maths test. We can both cheat together.
Oh, see, this is a nice one.
That's what.
Oh my
That's
god.
So that's how it works. If you
Dude,
don't see
I
it coming.
What is a huge no-no for you on a first date? Huge no-no, like big no-no.
Yeah, either you should be fluent in English or you should be in Hindi. I don't mind either, but जो भी language prefer करते हो, please be fluent यार.
Yeah.
So I understand sometimes, if you're meeting somebody, the conversation, like you may not be interested in specifically the conversation that's happening, but there is also the type where there is no effort from the other person to sort of
Yes.
build the conversation. Like,
Yeah.
if there's तुम्हारे questions का answer अगर yes or no आ रहा है, that you're like, okay, fine.
जिंदगी की गाथा लेके मत बैठ जाओ
Oh.
कि तुम्हें
Oh,
पता है कि मैं
yeah.
लाइफ में कितना बैडएस रहा हूँ.
Ah.
तुम्हें पता है प्यार मैंने बस दिल तोड़ के ही समझा है. और
I
दिल
specialist.
तोड़वा-
I specialist.
Yeah.
And I also adding to this point, I also want to add ki, it's very important to listen to the other person.
Don't ask like too many personal questions.
Yeah,
Like
on
I
the
feel
first
like,
date.
yeah,
Yeah.
like I'm not going to give you my life history as soon as we meet. And second is no future planning and all of that too.
Yeah.
I also feel like Instagram DM pickup lines don't work. Like it just doesn't. If you say hi and then you follow it up with a pickup line in my DM, I'm never going to.
If you're
यार इस
matched
चीज
on
का
a
तो
dating
I mean only you
site,
can comment Priya because
yeah,
मेरे साथ तो
हमें
होता
तो
नहीं है,
कुछ
कोई
आता
मेरे को
नहीं
DM करता नहीं
है.
है.
What you are talking about, it doesn't exist for us. We
For
want
men.
it to
Oh.
exist.
It doesn't
Wait,
exist.
wait,
To
wait.
fulfill that fetish, I only block Rahul and then I only message. Hi.
This guy just goes like randomly at 2:45 p.m.
Yeah.
Okay,
Afternoon.
noon, like
भरी
2:45
दोपहरी
p.m.
में.
हाँ, भरी दोपहर. He says, I don't know which is prettier today, the water, the sky, the moon, or your eyes. And I'm like, bro, there's no moon. Like at 2:45, there's no moon.
भाई इसका face देखो यार, जैसे
तेरे
बोला
basic
क्या?
खिले हुए
There's
हैं.
no-
I in researching for this, I came across 3 Tinder horror stories जो सुन के मेरे खुद के रोंगटे खड़े हो गए. And this guy matched with a girl and whatever, and they were like, कि चलो ठीक है, we'll meet and all of that. And they decided to catch up, and what she said was कि before we go to any of our places and whatever, let's meet in a public place. Public place उन्होंने pick किया a park.
Oh.
Okay. So this guy was like, ठीक है, fine, चलेंगे. Now goes to this park. It turns out to be a Sunsan park.
Oh wow.
Oh
Okay.
my God,
It's like
मोहाली की याद दिला रहा है एकदम.
little like ये क्या हो रहा है, like so he was a little iffy, but ठीक है, he parks his car. She's like, उसने बोल रखा था कि वहाँ पे ऐसा swing होगा, so come to that swing, I'll be there. Now this guy, he's planned it कि अच्छा, उसने बोला, and ये रात के 10:30 बजे हो रहा है, ठीक है.
My goodness.
Just to paint a picture of what the setting is like, there is this swings in one corner, वहाँ पे where this guy is sitting. पीछे की तरफ there's woods. Distance में, like maybe you can see some lights trees के through कि वहाँ पे street lights type दिख रही हैं. यहाँ पे side में left side में there's that वो park में जो toilet booth type होता है ना. हाँ, वो टॉयलेट वाला, वो टॉयलेट बूथ है, उसकी लाइक एंड उसकी मतलब वो लाइट है, उसकी थोड़ी सी लाइट, दैट्स द ओनली सोर्स ऑफ मेजर लाइट दैट्स देयर. सो नाउ दिस गाय वाज लाइक, हियर्स सम साउंड्स फ्रॉम इनसाइड द टॉयलेट बूथ, लाइक द टॉयलेट रोल वाले की आवाज. लाइक ओके, आई डिडंट नो समवन वाज हियर. एंड देन ही sees, तो उसके फोन पे she is replied, so like, you come inside the toilet, this thing, I have something to show you.
My God, so creepy.
Lysol is not just for 40 rupees. Hussain nikal raha hai.
So this guy is like कि अच्छा, and at this point, मतलब the thing is, he's realized that someone has been there all along, right? And the whole vibe of it, now थोड़े red flags आ रहे हैं इसके दिमाग में. He's like, यार, maybe I should just go back to the car. So this guy quietly walks towards the car, ठीक है, not making any noise or whatever, quietly walks towards the car. कार में बैठता है, and that's when he looks at the phone and उसका text आ रहा है, why are you leaving, come back. He looks there, जहाँ पे the swings where she was, there's a guy standing there. This guy starts the car, puts it in drive, and starts rolling. As the car starts rolling, that guy starts running towards the car. This guy floors it, gets the hell out of there, and obviously blocks, unmatches. But by the time he goes to see the block and unmatch, he's already like, he has already done this.
First of all, the first red flag should have been
पार्क
washroom
साढ़े
में
दस
जाके
पार्क में रात के
public-
10:30 बजे
और
क्यों
उसके बाद वॉशरूम, मतलब कौन सी
Yeah.
लड़की पब्लिक प्लेस में जाके वहां
And
बैठेगी और
Hussein, this
इंतजार
is not
करेगी?
a right way to sell Harpic. It's scary. देखिए कितना
Oh,
साफ
yeah.
लग रहा है.
क्या आप अपनी जबान से नाक छू सकती हैं?
I'll tell you my
Oh.
best experience I ever had. Met this person in the morning. Met her for breakfast, and that was all the plan. Okay. Sat, had really amazing conversation. Din ho gaya, we had lunch. Took a nice walk. आराम से डिनर विनर करके पूरा डे आउट वे आउट करके बढ़िया से बाय बाय, अगली बार फिर मिलेंगे, और आज तक दोस्त है.
Nice.
Wow. Wow.
ठीक है, 4 साल हो गए.
Such wholesome, fulfilling
Yeah,
data, man.
like,
And
Very nice,
every
very
time
nice.
it's like a day out experience only, because we are like, let's just explore. That was the common
Nice.
interest.
Amazing.
Wow.
And this is what I am also want to tell people through this forum is कि it's okay, you can find friends if you have that intention.
Yeah.
बच्चों भारे मत रहो इतना कि नहीं इधर तो प्यार ही चाहिए. That's why,
और आज
that's
के
why
एपिसोड
my
में हम
mom-
रात बाकी बात बाकी आपके लव गुरु के साथ यहाँ पे जो 4-5 बैठे हैं,
सही
बहुत
में यार,
लगे।
ये ऐसे डेटिंग वो हो गया ना, like डेटिंग कोच सेशंस
आपका
टाइप.
हमसफर लव गुरु.
Yeah, I
और
think the
जितना भी-
easiest thing to just have legit valid profiles is do your KYC.
हाँ यार बेस्ट है.
KYC.
Yeah,
Dude, like,
like
even doing KYC, even after doing, how do you know that person is not a serial killer?
अरे आधार
How?
लिंक किया है.
अरे
अरे
किया
आधार भी करा
आधार,
देंगे.
वो तो
ठीक है.
टिंडर से लोग आ रहे वेरिफिकेशन के लिए. आपका बेटा इधर ही रहता है, लड़की खोज रहा था. I feel whoever is watching this podcast, just use your minds यार on any of these dates per se.
yeah, like, yeah.
दिमाग से सोचो,
Don't
दिल
fall
से
in
नहीं.
love ऐसे ही, मतलब first time ऐसे
सावधान
ही,
रहिए,
सच्चा
सतर्क
प्यार हो
रहिए.
गया.
सावधान रहिए,
हाँ.
सतर्क.
अनूप
सावधान
सोनी ने
रहिए,
बढ़िया
क्राइम
कही.
पेट्रोल देखो, क्राइम पेट्रोल
Yeah.
देखो.
Yes.
Thank
तो इसी बात के साथ आज की रात की समाप्ति करते हैं.
गुरु के
बहुत
साथ.
राजा हिंदुस्तानी से आज नए गाने की पेशकश.
But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want more such content, please like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon.
Yeah. It's a request. We are at this remarkable number for for lots and lots of months, which is
Lot of
326. At least by this video when it comes out, we should at least hit 500 followers. ज़्यादा मांगी नहीं रहे. धीरे धीरे चलते हैं.
Only 124.
आपका और हमारा साथ ऐसे ही तो थोड़े थोड़े कदम लेते लेते हम देखिए कहाँ पहुंच जाएंगे. हमें बस 10,000 तक पहुंचना है.
This is the only dreams that we actually have.
Oh my God, that's our passion.
Yeah.
Passion.
10,000 followers.
Anyway, chalo. Thank you guys.
Chalo.
ਆਉ ਦੇਸੀ ਜੇ ਗੀਤਾ ਟਰੈਪ ਜੀ ਬੀਟਾ ਸਿਰ ਕੱਢ ਕੱਢ ਦੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਆਉ ਦੇਸੀ ਜੇ ਗੀਤਾ ਟਰੈਪ ਜੀ ਬੀਟਾ ਸਿਰ ਕੱਢ ਕੱਢ ਦੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ